Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you my strategy that I've been using for the past few months to generate extra income. It's a little bigger portfolio than what I've been talking about in the past, but you can pretty much do this on a small account, and it's been what I've been talking about in the past few months as well. I've been making videos sharing my thoughts on selling options and even doing them with you guys and showing you that it's very possible to make money even with a small account. But now today I'm going to show you that if you do have a bigger account, you can definitely make more money. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock market and who wants to make money consistently. We already have 45 members in there already, and we would love for you to come join us so we can collaborate and possibly find the next hottest stock. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. So when you sell a cash secure put, it's essentially setting a buy limit. And when you set a buy limit, you usually set it below where the current stock is trading at. So in order to sell a cash secure put, you do need to put up the collateral. So the collateral is determined by 100 times the strike price. Let's take Apple, and let's just say Apple is trading at 100 right now. So we want to sell a cash secure put on Apple with a strike price of 90. So what that's saying is I want to buy Apple shares when it hits 90. So now we just need to put up the collateral, which is $9,000, as well as choosing a strike price. So the further out you go in expiration dates, the more premium you will get because the more risk the stock has. So let's say you pick an expiration date that expires on Friday, this coming Friday. If the stock price is not at 90 or below, your option contract will expire worthless. Your collateral will be released back to you, which is the $9,000. Then you can use that money to sell another cash secure put the following week. So let's say if the stock price does hit 90 or below, now you're obligated to buy 100 shares at 90, even if the stock price goes way below that. So for doing all that, you do get a small premium, whether the option expires worthless or it's in the money, meaning you are going to get a sign and you have to buy 100 shares at the strike price. If you do not want to get assigned, what you can do then is just keep rolling the option until it expires worthless. So this is the strategy that I've been using for the past few months. So let's take a look. So this is my Ally accounts, and I've been selling cash secure puts as well as cover calls. So when I'm selling a cover call, it's the opposite of cash secure puts. Now I'm setting a sell limit. And in order to sell a cover call, I do need 100 shares of the underlying stock. So we have here, they're all realized gains and losses. If we take a look at the asset class, they're all options. If we go all the way down, there's only a few stocks. And if we see that quantity, it's -1 means selling an option, and then if there's no negative in front of it, that's buying an option. So most of them are selling. So we'll take a look at the Boeing options. We have -2 BA. This was a 245 call. So I sold it on the 9th and it expired on the 12th, and I was able to collect $22. You might think that $22 is not a lot of money, but $22 adds up very quickly if you can do this every week or even every month. We take a look at another one, -1. This was on February 16th and closed at February 19th. I was able to collect $20, and then we go on $40, $49, $148, $119. Now this is a -1,096. So this one was a 240 cover call. So I have 100 shares of Boeing. And of course, I sold a cover call at a 240 strike price. So at the time when I sold this, Boeing was at 220 and it ran all the way up to 260. So right now it's at 260. So what I did was I rolled the contract over to March 26th, so this coming Friday. And when I roll the contract over, it means I have to buy back the option and then sell another one. So when you buy back, it'll show up as a negative on my cost basis. So it is a negative right now. And I can keep rolling it, keep doing the same method, buying it back, selling it again until the option expires worthless, because I don't want to get rid of my Boeing shares. So then we keep going down. We see that's the negative. And then we also see plus 300, plus 800, plus 200, negative 700. This was Baidu. This was a cover call. And same thing happened there. But we keep going down, 124, 259, 68, negative 68, beyond, minus 500. But you can see that most of them are gains. Plus $20, plus 35, plus 40, plus 27. And it just keeps going on, plus 500. And most of these are just selling. Except for the exception of Salesforce, I bought call options on that. But these are selling cash acre puts on DocuSign and then selling cover calls. You can see I don't get that much money. $500, $100, $50. It's not a lot of money, but guys, this is consistent income. Consistent is what I'm looking for. We have FedEx. I sold a cover call. And so FedEx, I actually got assigned. So I had to buy 100 shares at whatever the strike price that I had picked at that time. And then I just started selling cover calls on them to generate extra income. You can see it's not much. It's $10 here, $19 there, $36 here, $167. Hyliion was a call options that I bought. And when I went up, I decided to get rid of it. So made about $1,000 on that. Sometimes, occasionally, I'll buy call options if I do feel like the price is reasonable. And then we have Kodak. I'm holding on to that right now, but I was able to collect $40, $34. And then we have Microsoft, along with NEO too. NEO is doing well. We can see 220 plus 100 plus 114. And then Nokia took a loss there, but negative 300 plus 116. So as you can see, these are all selling options, guys. Let's go down here, Tesla. I've been selling cover calls and cash acre puts on Tesla. They actually give a pretty nice premiums on those. I was down because I had to roll my contract over, plus 800, plus 400, plus 900. And Zoom calls I did. And then even xpeng, I sold a cover call on $23. So guys, this is a great way to generate extra income. If it is still difficult to understand, you guys just have to sell a cash acre put and a cover call to actually understand how it works. You can try them on Sundial, on Sens, on JagX. I've been sharing those trades in my videos for the past month or so. And that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. I'm just trying to share my knowledge as well as my experience, because I did lose a lot of money in my first year of trading. And I just want to be able to collaborate with people and try to find the next hottest stock. I am doing this full time, so I do need to make money consistently to provide my monthly expenses. And this is a great way for me to generate extra income.